Want the new full-screen Xbox gaming experience on your Windows 11 PC, even if you don't own an ASUS Xbox ROG Ally X? In this video, I'll show you a safe, step-by-step method to enable it on any laptop, desktop, or handheld PC. Let's turn your Windows machine into a console-style gaming device. Microsoft recently introduced a special full-screen Xbox interface made for their new handhelds. It hides the Windows desktop and gives a console-like UI designed for gamepads. Officially, this feature is only for ASUS Xbox ROG Ally and Ally X devices, but today, I'll show you how to enable it on any Windows 11 system. Before we continue, this method uses a third-party modding tool. That means it's not officially supported, and results may vary. Make sure to back up your data. Use this at your own risk. Alright, let's begin. First, confirm your PC meets these requirements: Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2, build 26100.7019 or newer. A gamepad or controller, because this UI is designed for gamepad navigation. Go to GitHub and download the latest Xbox full screen experience tool. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation instructions. Use the desktop shortcut to launch the tool. Click Enable Xbox Full Screen Experience. Once done, restart your PC. After restarting, open the Microsoft Store and install all updates, especially gaming-related ones. Go to Settings Gaming Full Screen Experience. Under Choose Home App, select Xbox. Turn on the toggle that says, Enter Full Screen Experience on Startup. Launch the Xbox app. If you see a restart prompt, restart your PC. That's it. Your system will now boot directly into the Xbox app in full screen mode, giving you a console-like gaming UI every time you turn on your PC. If something doesn't work correctly, don't worry. Just open the Xbox Full Screen Experience tool again and click Disable and Restore to go back to normal Windows mode. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Windows 11 tips and modding guides.